In the magical world of Yarnia, beneath the shimmering surface of the threaded sea, lay a realm as wondrous and vibrant as any found on land. This was the domain of the Reef Yarnians, unique and mystical sea creatures woven from the most exquisite yarns and threads of the ocean depths. The Reef Yarnians, unlike their land-dwelling counterparts, bore an array of fantastical shapes and hues. Some were long and sinuous, resembling the elegant ribbons of kelp that swayed in the underwater currents, while others were round and puffed, akin to the softest of sea sponges. Their colors ranged from the deepest blues and greens of the ocean to the bright, iridescent shades of coral and seashells. These yarn sea creatures inhabited the magnificent reefs of Yarnia's ocean, structures entirely composed of yarn and thread. These reefs were masterpieces of natural art, sprawling landscapes of knotted corals, woven sea fans, and twisted anemones. The Reef Yarnians had built these habitats over countless years, carefully crafting each element to create a harmonious underwater haven. The Reef Yarnians were known for their intelligence, kindness, and industrious nature. They lived in close-knit communities, where each member played a crucial role in maintaining the balance and beauty of their yarn-crafted ecosystems. They were skilled weavers and builders, constantly tending to their reefs, repairing any damage and adding new structures to accommodate their growing populations. Life in the underwater realm of the Reef Yarnians was a delicate dance of creation and preservation. They harvested colourful threads from the seabed, using them to construct and decorate their homes. They cultivated gardens of seaweed and plankton, ensuring a sustainable source of nourishment for their community. The Reef Yarnians were also guardians of the sea, protecting their home from harm and nurturing the myriad of other yarn sea creatures that shared their habitat. They coexisted with schools of threadfish, flocks of yarn seahorses, and colonies of buttonshell clams, each species contributing to the richness and diversity of the reef. Communication among the Reef Yarnians was a symphony of underwater sounds and gestures. They communicated through a series of gentle vibrations and soft, melodic hums, creating a language as fluid and graceful as the sea itself. Their expressions of joy, concern, and camaraderie echoed through the water, uniting them in a shared purpose. The Reef Yarnians celebrated the cycles of the sea with grand festivities. During the full moon, they gathered in the largest caverns of the reef, where the moonlight filtered through the water, casting a silvery glow on their gatherings. Here, they shared stories of ancient times, sang the songs of the deep, and danced in swirling rhythmic patterns that mirrored the ocean's currents. Despite their unusual appearance, the Reef Yarnians were cherished members of the larger Yarnian community. Occasionally, land-dwelling Yarnians would visit the reefs, marveling at the underwater spectacle and exchanging tales and knowledge with their sea brethren. These visits were joyous occasions, strengthening the bonds between the two worlds and fostering a deeper understanding of each other's ways of life. As time passed, the legend of the Reef Yarnians spread throughout Yarnia. Tales of their underwater utopia, their artistic creations, and their harmonious way of life became an integral part of Yarnian lore. They were a testament to the diversity and adaptability of life, a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, communities could thrive in unity and creativity. The story of the Reef Yarnians was a story of resilience, beauty, and the endless possibilities of imagination. It was a narrative that resonated throughout Yarnia, inspiring all who heard it to appreciate the wonders beneath the waves and the remarkable beings who called the ocean their home. In the heart of Yarnia's seas, the Reef Yarnians continued to weave their tale, an enduring thread in the rich tapestry of their yarn-spun world.